Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to get GLM-5 API key. So let's get started. Now first, you want to go to the official Zifu AI website and either sign up for a new account or log in to your existing one. And then once you're logged in, you want to head over to the developer console or dashboard where you manage API access. Then look for a section labeled API keys or access keys inside your account settings. If required, create a new project first by giving it a name and confirming the setup. After that, click on Generate a new API key to create your key. Then copy the API key immediately and store it somewhere secure since it may only be shown once. If prompted, set up billing information to activate or increase your API usage limits. And finally, you want to paste the API key into your app, backend, or development environment to start using GLM-5. And that's it. Now you know how to get GLM-5 API key in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.